everybody, and welcome back to the 2018 Granny Square Crochet Along. This is Jeanette, and today we will be working on square number 213, the Filet Starburst Granny Square. And I picked this color in honor of our friend Joe, who has the night off. Enjoy your night, Joe. And it's a very pretty lacy square, very easy to work up. I'm sure you guys will enjoy. So let's go ahead and get our hooks and our yarn, and let's get started making number 213, the Filet Starburst Granny. Okay, everybody, we're going to start this square with a chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain to join to form a ring. You could probably also do this with a magic circle if you prefer. Totally up to you. Once we have our ring, we're going to chain 3. That takes the place of our first double crochet, and then double crochet 2 more times into the ring. So we should have now 3 double crochets. We chain 3. And then into the ring, 3 more double crochets. Chain 3 again. 3 more double crochets into the ring. Chain 3 again. And this is the last set of double crochets. So 3 more double crochets into the ring. So you should look like that. Chain 3 again, and join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain where we started. And this will finish off round 1. There you go. That's how it should look at the end of round 1. Okay, so now we're going to start round 2 by chaining 4, and that is going to be our first double crochet and chain 1. And then we are going to skip 1 double crochet into the next, and then put 2 double crochets, a chain 3, and 2 double crochets in the chain 3 corner space. So you should have that. We double crochet into the next double crochet, and then we chain 1, we skip a stitch, and we double crochet into the last double crochet of that little group of 3. So we're basically making eyelets over the middle double crochets of each group of 3. So into the chain 3 space, we're going to put 2 double crochets, a chain 3, and 2 more double crochets. Double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 double crochet, and double crochet into the last double crochet of that group of 3. In the corner, we're going to put 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets, just like that. Double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the last double crochet of that group, so just like that. And in the last corner, 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets. We join into the third chain, so 1, 2, that's 3, with a slip stitch, and that finishes off round 2. And this is what it should look like. Okay, so for round 3, we're going to start the same way as we did round 2, and that's with a chain of 4. The first 3 is our first double crochet, and then our chain 1 space, and then since we already have the space here, we don't have to skip anything. We're going to double crochet once in each of the next 3 double crochets. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and then into the chain 3 corner space, same as before, 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 double crochets, and then we'll double crochet in the next 3 double crochets, we chain 1, we skip our space, and we double crochet into the next 3 double crochets. And then into the chain 3 space, we're going to put 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 more double crochets. Up. So you should see the pattern by now. It's pretty easy. So you're going to double crochet in these 3 double crochets right here. You're going to chain 1, double crochet in these next 3 double crochets, make your corner of 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets, and just continue that all the way around, and I'll meet you back here when we're ready to join. Okay, so I've gone ahead and joined with the slip stitch in the 3rd chain. We all know how this works by now. So let's go ahead and start round 4. And round 4 starts the same way as the last 2 rounds. We're going to chain 4. The first 3 is your double crochet, chain 1 for the chain 1 space that we've been making, and we're just going to double crochet in each double crochet across. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this row. So it's 3, 4, and 5, and we are going to make the same corner that we've been making, which is 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. So you should start seeing the pattern here. You have eyelets going this way, up and down, and left to right. So we're just going to keep making our eyelets over each other, and the bigger it gets, the better you see the pattern. So I'm going to leave you guys to it. Double crochet in each double crochet across, chain 1, skip this space, double crochet in each double crochet across, make your corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, and just keep repeating that all the way around, and I'll meet you back here when we're ready to join. Okay, we are ready to start round 5. I already joined into the 3rd chain with a slip stitch to finish off round 4. So round 5 starts the same way that 2, 3, and 4 did, with a chain 4. The first 3 is your double crochet, and the 4th one is for your chain 1 space, and then we just double crochet into every double crochet up to the corner. One more. Okay, and then in the corner, same as before, we're going to put 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. And then we just carry on as before, double crocheting in each double crochet across. And when we get to our chain 1 space, when we get to our chain 1 space, we are going to chain 1, skip the space, double crochet in each of the double crochets up to the corner, okay. Double crochet in each of the double crochets to the corner. In the chain 3 space, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets, double crochet in each double crochet, chain 1, skip your space, double crochet in each remaining double crochet, make your corner, just keep going like that all the way around, and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, and here we are at the end of 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th round, and I'll go ahead and join along with you guys, and we slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and that finishes off our 5th round. So now for 6, this is the last round. We start the same way as we have before with a chain 4. The first 3 are your double crochet, the last one is for your chain 1 space, and then double crochet in each remaining double crochet all the way to the corner. So for round 6, let's see. For round 6, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would be 18, 20, 22 double crochets on each side with your chain 3s in between. So just keep track of your stitches to make sure that your square is coming out right and that you haven't missed anything. Sometimes the stitches in the corner, they get away from you because they get covered by your corner stitches. Anyway, so we're at the chain 3 space, so we're going to go ahead and make 2 double crochets in the chain 3, then chain 3, and 2 double crochets. This is a very easy square to work up with a really nice effect. Very pretty. So I'm going to leave you guys to it. We've made our corner, double crochet in all of these double crochets, chain 1 to line up with our other chain 1s, double crochet in the remaining double crochets, and then in your chain 3 space, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets, and then just continue that all the way around, and I'll meet you back here when we're ready to join our final round, and we'll be done with our square. Okay, so here we are at the end. This is what you should have so far. Your eyelets going up and down and left to right, and diagonal from corner to corner. So if yours isn't matching up to what mine looks like, then you might have missed a stitch somewhere. It's a very easy square to work up. It's got a nice effect to it. Very cute. So let's go ahead and finish it off. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And cut our yarn. And that is square 213, the Filet Starburst square. I hope you enjoyed making this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.